Attainment Examination June 2022 BECC 107 Statistical Methods for Economics Course Code BECC 107 Total Marks 100. Answer the following descriptive category questions in about 500 words each. Each question carries 20 marks. Words limit does not apply in the case of numerical questions. What is standard normal variable? What are its properties? Find out the area under the standard normal curve for each of the following. Sketch each one of them. Between Ez is equal to 0, Ez is equal to 0.78. Between Ez is equal to negative 0.56, Ez is equal to 0. Between Ez is equal to negative 0.43 and Ez is equal to 0.78. Bring out the discussion between sample survey and census. Describe the steps you would follow in collecting data through a sample survey. Prepare a small questionnaire for collection of income expenditure levels of households. Answer the following middle category questions in about 250 words each. Each question carries 10 marks. Word limit does not apply in the case of numerical questions. The probability that Rajesh will score more than 90 marks in the class test is 0.75. What is the probability that Rajesh will score more than 90 marks in 3 out of 4 classes test? Bring out the major properties of binomial distribution. Mention certain important uses of the distribution. Fit a straight line y is equal to a plus bx to the following data. Compare the estimated values of the dependent variables with its actual values. X 5, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 16. Y 8, 12, 14, 10, 13, 16, 14, 17. Define correlation coefficient. What are its properties? What is life table? Explain its uses and limitations. Answer the following short category questions. Each question carries 15 marks. Write short notes on the following in about 100 words each. Construction of Consumer Price Index, age-specific birth and death rates, sampling distribution. Differentiate between the following: stratified random sampling and systematic random sampling. Type 1, Type 2 errors in the hypothesis testing. Statistic and parameter.